Oh, looks like rain. Looks like we got rain coming. I see it way over there. It's coming. Okay.
Welcome to Daytona Beach. The local time is 7:46. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we arrive to the gate. The captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, as well as keep the aisle clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items like tablets or cell phones. And use caution when you open the overhead compartments, as your carry-on items may have shifted during our flight. You may now use your cell phones. American Airlines and our One World partners would like to thank you for flying with us today, and we hope to see you again soon on a future flight. Once again, welcome to Daytona Beach.